I hope everyone can hear me, and welcome back everybody to another amazing live stream. One of the best traders in the world is Z. I think I should change my name. I don't like ZFX. Probably should be Z something else. But keep that in mind. If anyone have any suggestion, just let me know later on in the chat. Alright, so let's get into it. Wow, look at gold. What a crazy move. Oh man, what's happening there? Let me take a sip. Alright, we have something going on here. Oh wow, gold is cooking. Let's remove all this mess from there and get on with it. Let's start with the top-down analysis first, and then we will get into the juicy details, where the interesting stuff is, where we can make the money. Give me a second, I'm checking everything. Hopefully everything is clear. Yep, now looks perfect. Oh wow, look at that, gold is melting. So we have a new contract for today, so people who trade CFD, I think it doesn't matter to them much. Oh wow, we have a very interesting and amazing price action for today. Today is Thursday, which is my favorite day of the week. This is the day of volume, the day of big move. I believe the day of making money. For me personally, Thursday is my favorite day, and preferably to be the last day of the week if you got a good week. Alright, you can see here as clear as I think the water that gold is jumping, bouncing off this support area right there. Wow, very strong, tough support area right there. I believe gold was melting recently because of the war is still up, and they never get into like a peace deal or something. They are still fighting and going around and stuff. So we can see here that gold is still extremely bearish on the daily. 4 hour, it looks like it's rejecting a little bit from this area right there. Let me mark this rejection area real quick, just to have a nice idea what's happening to the left hand side. So we noticed in the past that price rejected from this blue line, as you can see here on the 4 hour. No much interesting stuff. On the 1 hour we have something that is cooking right now, which is the chance and the opportunity. The one and only is that we can wait for a resistance to be formed there and probably anticipate sells from here till about here. Oh wow, man, this is 440 pips. I believe there was some sort of news, because you don't see such a move without news. Oh, alright, we had some red folder news over here. It was very negative for the USD, which means that it's good for gold. That's why gold is pumping, as you can see. Oh man, so the good thing is that NYSE is coming in about 16 minutes. That's not a long time at all. 16 minutes. We want to see a red candle close right here, and probably we are jumping into sells just like that. red candle closed, and then we are jumping into sells. That's the only analysis I have for today, the only idea I have for today, probably, unless this 1 hour can give us something else. Other than that, I don't think there is anything better than the cells from here. It looks like it's a rejection area as well, so at least probably will anticipate this candle to retrace a little bit. Man, look at that huge candle. This candle is about 500 pips, so if we got some sort of retracement would be amazing. If not, then it's totally fine. We will wait for some pullback right here from this area exactly. We are going to wait for this price to retrace all the way down, create a support right here, and look for buys from there. Full port sells. Yeah, good to see you, Abdullah. Welcome. No man, maybe not really full port unless we get a really nice candle, you know, nice strong candle. Probably we will be looking something like that. But other than that, it's better actually to wait for the 30-minute candle. You know why? Because the 30-minute candle, it comes along with NYSE open, which is the highest volume of the day. It's coming in about 14 minutes, which is not much at all. And I believe setup over there is going to be much more better. And yeah, I believe it will move much easier into our destination. Hopefully. Look at this huge candle, man. Wow, what a nice breakout here, nice little breakout. But it was a small candle, bottom week and top week. I was thinking to put some buys right here, but man, it's not according to my plan, not according to my risk limits. Look at this, going to be 100 pips to less than 100 pips. So I didn't want to risk it, but it was looking very good to take buys from this area right there. I just didn't take it, and yeah, now we are here. So I got this new account. How can I show that? I got this new CFD account. It was actually for free from this company, Finnotiv. I think I would like to trade it for the rest of the, probably just to show execution and stuff, and it feels nice. So basically I got this account for free. I didn't buy this account, I got it for free, and I was just playing around. And yeah, now I want to like get it on YouTube and make something out of it. Imagine someone that went from zero till something, literally zero, because this account I didn't pay anything for, which I think is going to be a good idea if I can show it. Oh wow, to be honest, actually this 15 doesn't look bad, but man, I think I'm going to stay away. From this 15 for, I will wait for the 30 better, because I had a bad past with the 15-minute candle that looks like this. Yeah, I will be also trading my other accounts next to this one, but yeah, I think it's fun to show the MT5 and trade on it. So yeah, let me show you something. Display capture. Okay. No, not that one. Oh wow, This is looking good to move down. Actually, can it move down? Be careful guys, it can fake you out and just keep moving up. So that's why we are waiting for the 30-minute time frame, which will decide what's going to happen, which is going to decide the 30-minute time frame. So don't rush, don't jump into trades. Be careful, because 15-minute time frame in this situation is very tough and risky, and the probability on the trade is not in our side. Actually, the probability on this in this scenario, because the 4 hour is bullish, and probably we are rejecting from a strong area right there at the bottom here. So yeah, just be careful, wait for a little bit more confirmation, and from there I believe we can get something really nice. Hello Alex, hey bro, welcome to the stream. I think you can see it now, hopefully. But how can I change? That's the thing. Just never mind all of this stuff. So yeah, I think I will figure a way to show it later on, but yeah, for now we are just waiting for this 30-minute candle to close bearish. Let me know if you agree with that, Alex. I'm just waiting for this 30-minute candle to close bearish, and we'll look for sells after that. What's that? Yep, I think that's the best setup available at the moment with NYSE open. If the next 30-minute candle after NYSE open candle created the top wick and then boom, break down its low, man, I believe at least we are going to move somewhere. We are going to create a bottom wick at least. If we could grab around 100 pips, that's more than enough for the day. If you could grab around 100 pips. Same, I'm also looking for sells with NYSE volume. Perfect, bro, perfect. I believe this is the best idea right there, because other than that, buys looks already like a little bit overextended. Look at that, man. This candle moved about, oh wow, it moved about 550 pips. So yeah, either sells from here after the 30-minute candle closures, or buys from here, or whenever this price create a support for a pullback, something that looks like this, and then when it moves back up. So we'll be looking for longs anyway from here, somewhere like this. Wherever it will reject from, we'll be looking for buys. This is just in a simple explanation what I am looking for. Yeah, other than that, better to wait for myself. Yeah, I prefer better to wait for a nice, good setup, nice idea. And yep, so I have this little account on MT5 and I want to show it. I think right here. Yep, I think you can see this account right now. You should be able to see this little account. So I got this account for free, absolutely free. I think I filled what they call it. Yep, I filled the form and they basically just gave me this account. I don't know about this firm, guys. If anyone have any experience with this firm, yeah, just let me know. So yeah, now I think I will be trading this. I was testing it in the beginning. So the reason for the loss is I was testing this on the beginning. Look at that, it's 0.0. Actually, it didn't let me use more than 0.01. Look at that, only 0.01. Then I was testing some other pairs like oil, JJ. I was just playing around testing, and then after I think the next day it start working, like on 27 28 start working, and now I could enter normal lot size. So yeah, now I'm planning to take this account seriously and will be trading it on YouTube. I think from 0 to at least 10k or something. I'm going to be documenting everything. Yeah, hopefully we can pass this account and get some nice payout. Is this broker account? No, Abdullah, actually this is not a broker account, it's a prop firm account. But I don't know why they wrote live. It's not a live account at all. It's a prop firm account, bro. Don't believe what they wrote here. Like, anyone can fake this shit, but I'm just being honest with you, man. So look at this trade. I was actually like playing around. I didn't care much about this account, but I didn't take this trade on my futures account, on my Lucid account. Look at this thing, man. I just placed the sell stop and left it. I didn't even place stop loss or take profit. And then I came after some times. Look at that. Wow, it just went nicely from there. So this is some new idea I was testing like for a long time. But yeah, it happens very rarely when there is like some strong fundamental news that shows that gold is melting or something is happening. So let's get back into the chart, I guess, from here. So yeah, the thing is about this account is that I just got it for free, guys, and I would like to share this on YouTube. I believe it will be a nice idea for people. Yeah, it will be a nice idea. So if I could get any payout of this account, this is literally going to be from 0 to something, you know, and from there we can just get going. Yeah. Alright, so this 30-minute candle is about to close in 2 minutes and 45 seconds. So it's about to close soon. Yeah. So yeah, just prepare your fingers for sells. I hope this candle close weak, bullish, or even bearish would be much better. Other than that, probably will stay away because this looks a little bit risky, you know, just a little bit. Wait, can I connect this to trade await? I don't think so, but yeah, I'm going to show you here. This is the account. Yep. So I think they have a pretty nice dashboard. Everything is nice, but for your information, guys, I didn't actually buy this account because I stopped trading these CFDs and now I'm just trading futures. So it looks pretty interesting. Daily drawdown, max drawdown, and I think my target for stage 1 is 7.5 profit, and then stage 2 is around half of this, which is 4.5. So yeah, this is our target for stage 1, and for stage 2 it's around half of this, 4.5. So I will be looking to risk around 2% per trade. I think this is gonna be not a bad idea. Funded hive, what is that? Let me check this funded hive. Funded hive. But are you sure, Abdullah, that they are good with the spreads? the spreads and the slippage, because this man, it's not that good with the slippage and spread. Oh wow, I believe I'm going to place a sell stop right there below this candle if it closed weak bearish, just in case, because man, at NYSE open it can just melt if it closed more smaller than that. This is very big actually. Yeah, so we will wait for top wick to be formed on the 30-minute, and then probably going to place my sell stop. Look at that 30, and man, this 30 is not good at all. This 30 is not good at all, guys. Yeah, I don't think I don't think we'll be looking for that. Maybe on this new MT5 account, maybe. Probably on this MT5 account. But yeah, I don't think I will be taking it on my real account. What's that? Choose the model. Let's wait and see how well this candle is going to move, and then we will check the funding hive. Yep, I have tried them, daily payouts, and even have guaranteed stop loss. Oh wow, guaranteed stop loss? I never saw something like this before. What do you mean by guaranteed stop loss? Like there is no slippage at all? Man, that's not possible, Abdullah. I don't think it's possible. Have you got a payout with them before, Abdullah? Have you got a payout? Are they paying well? Oh wow, that went so fast. Oh wow, it didn't even execute here. Oh wow, that's nice. So probably if this candle can close like this bearish, we'll be looking to enter. I think it will be much better if we can see this candle close bearish on the 15-minute time frame. Something like this will be much better, because man, the 30-minute candle looks ugly, to be honest. I don't like the 30-minute candle right there. But I'm going to enter with a really small lot size on this new MT5 account. I think should give it a chance. It doesn't look bad, but but not my not my real account, because I just don't like the 30-minute, guys. 30-minute looks very not good. Hello Pawan, how are you, my friend? Welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well. Hope everything is good. Oh wow, doesn't. I hope it move a little bit more. Hopefully it will move a little bit more, or close like this even would be better. Yeah, but on the 30-minute time frame, man, it doesn't look safe at all. This trade doesn't look safe. Yeah, it's even for me, it's not like A plus setup. I think just A maybe, or something. Oh wow, in the 15-minute candle it's actually closed below. It closed below on the 15, but not on the 30-minute. That's interesting actually. That is interesting. Oh wow, it's melting here. It's melting up about 40 pips something. Oh wow, 50 something. Yeah, I think probably should secure maybe 0.09. Oh wow, it's retracing now. Yep. So how can I show you this? uh, yeah, I know guys, it's a little bit, I'm not used to do this. Profit booked 1-to-1. Nice, Abdullah, good job, bro. Very, very well done, Abdullah. Very, very well done. What's that? Very, very well done, Abdullah. That is very good that you took this. Actually, it's not a bad trade as it turns out. It turns out it's not a bad trade. Turns out. But for me, it's not the best. Like, there could have been much better than that. Could have been much better. Yes, guaranteed stop loss. You have to put stop loss price before executing a trade. And if you don't get payout in 60 seconds, they will pay you $1,000. What? Bro, how is that even possible? That's even not close to possible, Abdullah. What are you talking about, man? What are you talking about? So here, let me, how can I show you this, guys? Yep, I think right there. So I'm going to be securing 0.9, I think, here, and stops to break even. I entered with a little lot size right there. Yes, it doesn't look bad on the 15, but on the 30, man, it doesn't look like the perfect setup, to be honest. So I didn't take it on my futures account. Yeah, but it's a nice trade. Like, glad that it worked out. Yeah, bro, Abdullah, I don't think I believe that. There is no way, like, they can pay you 1,000 or whatever is that is. It's not showing, right? Let me check. I think now it's showing. So, and if you don't get payout in 60 seconds, they will pay you. Probably I should take a look into that. I really should take a look into that. That's very, very interesting, Abdullah. Very, very interesting. To pay from profit. What? $9 account? How are they even paying back the traders? How are they even paying them back? Actually, they give you real funds once you are funded, so your all trades are a book. That's why they have automatic payouts. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's really interesting, Abdullah. I never thought about that. Instant daily payout, no team approval required, sent within 60 seconds. Oh wow, I think I should buy some accounts from them. I think I should buy some account. One time fee, no funded fees required. It's just 29 bucks. What? This is so cheap, man. Why is it so cheap? That is so cheap. 20 bucks. End of the day. Static. That is very, very interesting. I'm looking at their, oh, this hit the break even. Alright, this is not bad. I think we grabbed about something. How much was that? Custom period today. Yeah, I think it was around 1%, guys. Only 1%. Just check this last trade is the one, the real trade I took. Other than this, I didn't take any other trades on my futures account. It's only this one single trade for today. I didn't even take it on my real account, like futures account. So this stop loss was pretty much here, 60 pips for, oh, it's pretty much went around 1 to 1. That is not bad, I think. Not bad at all. Yeah, but because of the 30-minute closure like this, I didn't take it, and I will not write this trade as a trade taken. I will not write it on the trades taken on the stream. Yeah, because I believe I didn't take it on the stream, so it was just a hit and run. You know what is a hit and run? Yep. So yeah, I will for sure take a look at that. Probably we can get a 100k account or something from them. That sounds very, very nice, Abdullah. Sounds nice. Look at that, $90. Funded account start at 99. What does that mean? You mean it? You have to pay 2 times, or what's that? I think you have to pay 2 times. Funded fee upfront from profits. What? Man, I think I am confused. I don't understand how does this work. What's that? Scale. Trade and scale. What? Price $2.99. Medium leverage, highest leverage. How much they give you leverage? Is it 1 to 100 at least? Phase 1 8, phase 2 6. Okay, that's not bad. End of the day drawdown 5%. That's not bad at all. 100k. I think it's a little bit expensive for 100k 2 steps challenge. Pay from profits. You can pay from profits if low or moderate risk. What does it mean, pay from profits? That mean you can take the account and then pay them later? I don't like their pay from profits model. Oh, okay. So it looks like upfront 50% and then you pay 50 from profits. But man, I think this sounds nice, funded fee. I think it sounds better, like if you pay this 19 bucks before you pass the account, and if you won you will pay another 19. It doesn't matter, you know. I think it's a very good idea. 1 to 50, that's very good. Also risk to reward ratio. Max loss per trade. Alright, yeah, I think everything is decent. But here is the thing. So most companies, I believe, they have phase 1 is around 8%, phase 2 is 5%, but in here is 6%. Maybe that's why it's cheaper. Probably that's why. Yeah, I think definitely we'll be looking for this prop form in the future. If you can pass that account in low risk, then only you should pay from profit model. Otherwise price will be too high. Oh, okay. Oh, so I have to pass the account actually in low risk in order to get an account pay later. Is that what you're saying? Yeah, I think I got you. I think I got you. Oh wow, you took that trade, Abdullah. Very well done, man. This is a fire trade. Bro, it's a fire trade. Really? Yeah, nice. Well done, everyone. This is a real fire trade. Yeah, but for me, I stayed away because, bro, I didn't believe that much into that trade, especially with news. The news is bullish, so that's why. Let me check here. I grabbed the bot, closed closed most of my position at 40 pips, I think. Yep, at 40 pips. 40. Oh wow, now this candle have closed bearish. It's looking much better for sells now. Looking much better for sells. Oh wow. So we entered on the break of this low and stop loss was above here. Secure that something at 40. Yeah, I think it's not bad, but not the best also. Not the best. I believe I could have done better if I paid attention to it, but I don't feel like I care about that account much. I should be more responsible, I believe. It's just, the thing is, it's a free account, and whenever you get something for free, like, you don't appreciate it. Most of us don't appreciate the things until they lose it. That's why most of us are still failing, because we don't appreciate what we have. So you should literally appreciate everything you have before you lose it. 10, 5, 8, 6. Man, I think it's a little bit expensive, to be honest. So for example, look here, they have 8 phase 1, 8%, phase 2, 6%, and they are $29. But if you go to funded pips, I think funding pips, no, funding pips, look at funding pips, I believe it's the same price, almost $29. Profit split 70%. What the fuck, man? This is very bad, Abdullah. This is ugly, actually. So look, they have 20% off now, code for it. So probably you can get this account for $29. See? Oh, not this one. Standard 2 step. Oh wow, it's $36, but the percentage is 8 and 5%. Oh, you can adjust it. No man, weekly 6%. Oh, I think they changed it a lot since I checked them last time. It looks like they changed it. So I went one time with this pro account and it worked a little bit, but man, later I just blew it real quick. I don't know what happened. It was not in the first step, but on the second step. Maybe I can show you this. I can show you. It was a long time ago. Why not? You can see this, right? Static. Oh wow. So I think here is my accounts. Oh, this one. So I bought this 10k account, and yeah, I passed the first step, but I didn't pass the second step. So look at the first step, what happened. So you know that it's totally psychological stuff. On the first step, this was going pretty nicely. Everything is perfect. Look at that, win ratio 75%, like 100 or 90, profit factor 3. That means, in how many days I passed this? Let's check. 2/9/2026. Oh, this was in February, I guess. It was on February. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. So yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6, only in 6 days I think I passed this 10k account. Week 1, just one trade. This was this is 1.5% risk, I guess. One trade, two trades, three trades. Yeah, maybe it was three. I think I was a little bit over risking there. But yeah, so right here 4, I think the trade was increasing. Then one trade. So I passed it very easily, very smoothly. Look at that number of days. 6 days. In 6 days I got 6%. Trades taken 12. And yeah, this is the stats. I think pretty solid stats. I believe they are not bad stats. Yeah, so the thing, what happened after this is that I went to step 2. Oh wow, look at this. This is impressive actually. It's only gold. Yeah, I just had, I believe, 2 losses, I think. 1, 2, 3 losses and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 losses and 9 wins out of 13. Yeah, probably around 75%. So on the first stage I was trading normally, mentally, and everything was in place on this first stage. But when I went to the second stage, look at that, look at the difference it make. So right here, I don't know what happened, but everything went downhill. It went all downhill. Look at that. 1, 2, 6. Oh wow. I think I over risked, I over leveraged, and I didn't follow my plan at all. Look at the difference. This is, I think this is not me at all. So the thing is, I think I needed money fast or quick. What's that? Instant account giveaway. Oh, okay. So I believe this is the real problem with prop firms, guys, which is the psychology on the prop firm is much harder than trading a normal prop firm account, a normal live account. So this what shows you that on the prop firm account the psychology is a little bit more strict, I guess, because look at the huge difference. It's totally the opposite. Like I was trading very well, very cautious, and then boom, like I was not there at all. I think because I was excited to reach to the profit target and I had a lot of wins. So when I got this a lot of wins, I was thinking like I am the best of the best, and I think I slammed a little bit big lot sizes. Look at the lots here. I believe I over risked right there. 0.15, 0.2, 0.2. Yeah. Wow. It's all was losses, but I was keeping it straight. 10, 11, 11, 12, 12. Yeah, I think on the third day I just blew it because I couldn't stay patient and couldn't stay disciplined. But look here, it's pretty much steady. All the trades, I believe, or most of the trades, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. All of them are 0.1. Look at that. And I made some good profit. Like for example here, this is 129 pips. This is 145 pips. So it was, everything is nice. I believe here I risked a little bit more. Maybe it was a nice setup and I risked a little bit more because I had a buffer. So you know, on the CFD's account, when you have a buffer, you can risk a little bit more, and you can risk your whole total max drawdown, max daily drawdown, this one. So I was basically risking almost half of this, or more than half of the max daily drawdown, so I can pass the account. Yeah, 0.2, 0.2, 1, 2, 2. Yeah, so it depends on the setup, but it was a really nice work actually. Probably I could go back to that. Like Funding Bips was a nice company. Maybe I can go back and buy another CFD account, probably will be looking to trade it. Thank you, Alex. Same happened with me. I passed phase 1 easily, but didn't even made a single profit in phase 2. Yes, bro, so this is mostly because of the psychology. That's where it's all about the psychology now. All about the psychology and managing risk. And also there is something more important, which is the market cycles, the market shift. So sometimes I believe in January we had a really good market conditions. I was basically getting trading setup every single session. Like I can get 2 trades a day, 3 trades a day, almost every single session. Very clean moves, very nice setups. Everything was looking perfect, like top notch. Yeah, so this is, I'll probably remove it because yeah, you guys know. So I believe in January was a very good market conditions, but now, bro, now the market conditions are pretty ugly actually. It's not the best. So this is the two reasons. The psychology of the bro firm and the market conditions. Yeah, bro, I think this is a little bit expensive, to be honest. Maybe 6%. Yeah, this is the only issue, is 6% here. Max loss is 3%. And man, look at the profit split. So basically, if you made $100 bucks in your funded account, they will only give you 70, which is very, very low. I think on funding bips they give you around 80 to 85% maybe. News trading, leverage, consistency, no, nice. That is very nice. Everything is nice, but the profit split is a little bit low, and this phase 2 has a higher risk. Oh, so I was actually looking into one prop firm, which is really nice prop firm, but I didn't buy an account yet in that prop firm, which is, I think it's one of the cheapest. It's called Equity Edge. So I had previously, I think 500k with them, but it didn't, sorry, 50k. I had two 50k accounts. And yeah, so look at that. You can basically get a 50k instant account for, I think, for 50 bucks. Yep, 50k. So 50k, you can use this coupon, 50k for 40. I think that's correct. Let's check. Oh yeah, look at that. So 50k for 40, and it will give you 50k account just for 40 bucks right there. What a deal, right? What do you think about that, guys? So yeah, I was thinking actually to buy some account with them, but I don't know if they actually pay or not. So if we got a nice closure above this candle, probably we'll be looking for some buys. Probably. Oh wow, it's the 4-hour candle closure. Wow, that is nice. I think that is nice. So I'm not affiliate or something with this company, but yeah. And actually you can get a 100k account for 70. Look at that, you can get a 100k account for 70. 100k for 70. Look at that, you can get a 100k instant account for 70 bucks. Man, that's crazy. But to be honest, so if you check the legacy challenge 2 steps, so it gives you 5% maximum loss, 10%. Yeah, and this is your target, profit target, 10% and 5%, so in total is 15. Yeah, I think it's the issue is that their like their payout. I'm not sure 100% if they will pay or no, but I think they are not bad. You can check their Discord and do your research if you are interested. I purchased instant account from goat funded trader for 140 bucks. Nice, bro. Thinking I will get payout because at that time I was passing evals very easy, but when it comes to funded I blow it, so I think okay. Yeah, bro, I think not only you have this issue. Let's go with instant account so I can get payout, but the account never go even 0.1% in profit, and I blew that account. Every single trade was a loss on that account. Yeah, it's weird, right? So man, it's something weird. Like whenever you are trading normally on any account, you are trading very very well, but when it gets to the funded stage, that's where you blow up. So I did my research about that. Is that when you get, the more you get closer to the payout, the more your psychology start getting messed up. It gets a little bit messed up, so this is actually a little bit tempting. Oh no, now we have a new range right here and right here. Guys, I believe we have a new range. Yeah, but I think that's pretty much it. So yeah, when you get closer, the closer you get to the profit target, your brain is starting to produce dopamine, because you know you have not, like, you've been struggling a lot to get to that level, and you're thinking, oh, now I'm in step 2, I can just go on funded and get a payout like that. So you drop down all your risk management, all your thinking, like logical thinking. You just throw it away from the window and yeah, you trade like that. So I've been there, and but you know something, I never experienced this when I was trading my live accounts. Never ever. Like I used to trade normally, never thinking about this, never, like, even when I used to withdraw some money from my live accounts, but even when I withdraw, like, you don't tend to over risk or over leverage or do such stupid things. So this is the trick. This is how prop firms are actually benefiting from traders. It's psychological bumps, like a bump, you know, a speed bump. I think I spelled it wrong, not this bump. Oh yeah, this thing. So the prop firms, they put us something like this to prevent us from reaching a payout, something like this, very sharp. If you passed it the wrong way, you are going to get screwed. literally you are going to get screwed. So yeah, man, it's a little bit tough with the prop firms, but I take it as a challenge and I like challenges, so I believe we can achieve that very very easily in the near future. Yeah, bro, I think instant account, it never worked with me, never. I don't know why. I think I had 2 accounts with this equity edge. I think I had some accounts with them. Client area, let me check that. Alright, so I was interested into trying this. It was a long time ago. Look, this was 21 November. Yeah, but they have a lot of oh wow, they have a lot of secret and hidden rule, guys. Look at this. So I lost my account because my risk went above 1%. Could you imagine that? Like, I had here My daily, I didn't even touch my daily loss. Look at the daily loss. I still have about $1,500 to lose. Max loss, but I reached the max loss. Yeah, I think I reached the max loss. But here it breached because I risked more than 1%. They have a lot of like hidden rules. So whenever you see something that is too good to be true, just believe it's too good to be true. Look at that. Breach reason is 1% risk limit. So in this account I didn't reach the max loss. I didn't even reach the daily loss. But this 1% rule. So you know, in this account they said you cannot risk more than 1% on a trade. And I think the withdrawal is after 3%. Oh wow. What's that? This is the equity curve. So can we see, check this, it was November, no, October. Oh wow, look. Alright, so it was not bad, I think. It was a little bit bad actually. This is not that good. Not that good. Yeah. And it was not easy to manage two 50k accounts actually, guys. It was a little bit difficult to manage two 50k accounts. But yeah, so even if you want to go with them, you just be careful. Just be careful. Because man, they have some secret rules, guys. Look at this 1% risk. Like whoever put this thing right there. You cannot risk more than 1%. And it's a hard breach actually. If you risk more than 1%, it's a hard breach. Yeah, it happens, but now we have mastered our psychology and emotions, and futures are easy when it comes to graph form. Definitely, Alex, absolutely. I totally agree with that. Now we are in a totally different place. Yeah, so did you took this trade, Alex, right there, the cells? Did you took this one? Because for me personally, I didn't take it on my futures account. I just took it on this small little account. Yeah, I wonder. So yeah, so probably if we got some breakout buys, I think it will be nice, because now the 4-hour has created a top wick and then went down to create a bottom wick, and now it looks like it's going to break the high again right there. So yeah, man, I think it looks very nice to go. Probably if it broke this previous candle this previous candle high, but we need a little closure before it breaks. Yeah, we need some sort of closure. I like that how this candle grabbed liquidity from previous candle. So if we got any closure above, I believe it will be a good entry, because I will be entering on the 4-hour break of the high probably, and there will be, oh wow, there will be my break even right there. Let's remove this now, no need it. Yep, it looks very nice actually. If we can get some sort of closure on the 15-minute, I believe I can jump in that. Yeah, this week I like how this candle grabbed liquidity from there. So it says, oh no, I didn't like it. Closure above that area is looking good. For wick fill, we are bullish. Yeah, bro, I totally agree with you. I also didn't take it like on my real futures account. So that's good. Oh wow, what's happening here? Oh no, gold, what's going on, man? Come on. Oh wow, man, it just moved like that. Oh wow, look at that. That's what I was just speaking about now. If it broke the high, probably is going to move. It just moved without any closure, without giving us a chance. Oh wow. Man, that went so fast. Look at that. It's looking very good actually to move to the upside. Looking very good. Probably now this daily candle will flip or touch the high or retest this area at least. Yeah. So we have upcoming 15-minute candle is closing really soon. So let's check that. If it's going to close nicely above, probably we'll be looking for something. If it closes nicely above, there is no more news, but all the news for today, it was very good for gold. I think that's why gold is moving to the up, pushing that fast, that hard, because all the news are good for gold. Yeah, bro, that's crazy. Look how gold is moving. So I'm gonna go get some water and be right back. Alright, I'm back really quick after a little drink some water. So what do we have here? Still it looks bullish. Alright, so it looks bullish very nicely. We have the upcoming 15-minute candle closure. I believe if this 15-minute candle can close, that's good, that it gave us a top wick now to fill. Oh damn, what is happening right now? Oh man, I think we just missed the trade, guys. We just missed the trade. Look at that going now. Oh wow, what the F is happening? Didn't see that coming. To be honest, I didn't see that coming at all. Not that quick, man, not that quick. That's why that sells right here was not a good idea. Probably was not the best sells. So congratulations to the ones who got it, but that's why, because trend is very bullish. So what happened? I believe there is some news, guys. Look at that. There is release of the financial stability report, blah blah blah. Alright, I think I got wrecked. There is no news. Well, no worries. Oh wow, man, that's insane. Oh wow, look at that. 300 pips. 300 pips. Look at oil. What's happening on oil? Oh wow, what the F? Man, what is that? Let's check Nasdaq. Ah, Nasdaq is chilling. Oh wow, it's not really chilling, but that's a nice setup right there. That is a very nice setup. So what's going on, guys? I believe there should be some sort of news, because this is not like a normal move. So if oil went down and gold went up, I believe they talked about something like they want to make peace or something. I believe war should be stopped soon. I believe so. Look at that. But needed. See? Man, I was just talking about this just now. US and Iran reach a deal but needs Trump approval first. Oh wow. How crazy that is, right? Just from looking at the charts. Just from looking at the charts you can know, I think. Wow, interesting. Very, very interesting. You know, I believe now if Trump agreed on this deal, man, we are gonna go all-time highs. We are gonna go new all-time highs soon, like this. Boom, boom. 10,000 pips incoming. 10,000 pips. Full port gold buy. Yeah, I think you are a little bit late, Abdullah. You are a little bit late to the party now. Just a little bit. Let me check that. Oh wow. So soon probably going to needs Trump approval. Yeah, they need Trump approval for this. So if Trump didn't agree, so pay attention to that. If Trump didn't agree, man, gold could just melt right away. Gold can just melt. Can absolutely melt in a matter of seconds. See how fast this move was to the upside? It can go to the downside same speed. Same speed. Oh wow, yeah, I just see the news. Oh wow. Look at that going. Holy. Guys, this have a very high opportunity to move to the upside more. It have actually very good opportunity to keep moving to the upside. So I slammed something, just a little thing. Yeah, guys, I think, man, no, do not full port, but let's just wait for this, because what's that? Final approval. Yeah, we need to see final approval from Trump, because it can melt at any second. It can absolutely melt, just dump like that. As crazy as it went to the upside, can just go to the downside. So yeah, be careful, guys. Oh man, look at that shit moving. Oh wow, what a day. Bro, what a crazy day. Look at that at the break of the high, 62 pips. Oh wow, man, that's just crazy. That you could have full board Abdullah. Man, this is insane. You don't see this shit every day. So we've been waiting for weeks and weeks and weeks to see this thing. Weeks and months, I think. How long have this war going? Around 2 to 3 months, and this war is going on. Finally they are deciding something. So they have not decided yet, actually. Trump didn't give the final approval. So yeah, let's wait for this 30-minute candle to close, and hopefully it closed nicely. So probably let's check this 30-minute candle. I believe gold can go way much further than that, guys. Way much further. This is just, it's just the initial move. So we didn't see the real move yet. This is just the initial move after the news, and probably we can see it go much further than that. It's just the initial move. So if this now 30-minute candle closed below the range, probably we'll be looking for sells, and if it didn't close below the range, I believe buys doesn't look bad. I believe so. Buy doesn't look bad. Oh wow, look at that rejection. Look at that. Just be careful, guys. Oh my god, who did full porting now? Who is full porting now? What? Man, it went up 60 pips, went down 160 pips. Guys, just better be careful, guys. This is not a joke. You are playing with money. It's not a joke. Just be careful. Oh wow, that's a crazy volatility right now. Crazy volatility. So, who is ready? Man, I don't think that's a good idea to take something there, to be honest. I don't think. But in case this 30 minutes give us a nice closure, I believe we can anticipate something, because this is the 30-minute candle. Already the 4-hour have moved a little bit. So yeah, definitely gonna wait for something. So the thing that is going to drive this move up or down is Trump permission. If Trump agreed on the peace deal, man, this price is just going to endlessly moving up, endlessly, like non-stop. I believe it will correct all this move to the downside. Look at this move, this whole move. I believe it's going to correct it right now. Will be in this range, about 5,400, these ranges. And if Trump didn't approve on this like on this deal, then you will see gold price absolutely melting like this, just melting, going back till these areas. So can we get something that's a little bit nicer than that? We need something nice. Alright, man, this 15-minute candle is not helpful at all. Let's check the 30. The 30 is not bad, but it's tough. If setup form, I will use only 1/3 of the quantity. That is a smart decision, Pawan. That is a smart decision to use reduced risk. That is a very smart decision, but just wait for the closure and let's see how it will go from there. If you guys enjoying the stream, make sure maybe leave a like, so it will help us spread to the world and get some more friends. Probably. Yeah, I think we should just wait this 30-minute candle to create a bottom wick and then enter on the flip of the high. Nothing yet, nothing. So if the candle closed below the range, man, I don't want to be in like selling in such a price action. It's not a good idea to be selling in such a price action. Yeah, alright, I think Pawan wants to enter. He's scratching. If this red candle can close weak bearish, like a little bit to the upside, will much better prefer that. Will prefer this much better. Alright, we have about 44 seconds, 42. let's check this. What's going on? No new news yet. There is no any new news yet. So yeah, let's just wait for the closure. 19 seconds. Detrimental closure, guys. Detrimental. Alright, guys, we got the closure, guys. Oh no, not like this. Not like this, man. Come on. So it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look good as well, you know. Let's check the 5 minutes. Ugh, man, it's not for me, guys. To be honest with you, this is not for me. This is not what I agreed to do. Just, I'm being honest with you. So anyone is free to take this setup. It's totally up to you guys, but for me, man, a little bit risky. Just a little bit, a tiny bit. Everything is in place, everything looks nice, but just a tiny bit risky like this. See, like this only. If this candle wick was a little bit smaller, oh man, would have been much better. Much better. So probably if the 15-minute candle can close like this, oh wow, it's going to be an excellence. If the 15-minute candle close engulfing this previous candle, man, this would be very nice, very juicy, very healthy, and with a very good confirmation. So, oh wow, look at that rejection. Look at that rejection. Be careful, guys. Be careful, people who entered. Just make sure you are careful. That's all I got to say, man. All I got to say. Oh wow, it didn't break the low. You saw that? Right there is the low. I believe that's where most people who entered stop loss is. But if someone could grab this real quick, man, it was not a bad move. But yeah, man, this war and Trump fucked markets very well. Yes, bro, I totally agree with that, man. It's crazy. Like, it's just crazy what's going on in these markets. Absolutely crazy. Wow, look at that rejection. That's why, guys, it was not a good idea. It's much better to wait for the best. Oh wow! I think a lot of stops got hit right there. Oof, oof, oof. A lot of stops. Man, endless amount of stops. I cannot even count them. Oof, oof, oof. Yeah, so with this nice volatility, I believe something nice is going to show up probably next 15-30 minute candle. I prefer to wait for something that is looking good, that is looking nice. Give me a second. So yeah, alright guys, so this is looking better. I believe we can catch some sells if this 30-minute candle or probably the 15 now closed below. We need just a little green candle to tap to the upside, and from there it's much better, much better. Yeah, just need a little bit of a retracement green candle, that's all. We have about 12, I think 7-8 minutes for this candle to close. Man, just look at that volatility going. Look at that crazy price action. Oh wow, bro, this must be tough for some people, must be tough. But luckily we are patient enough to wait for this nice setup. We are patient enough. There has not been many setups recently, but yeah, I believe we can get something. We can get something out of it. We just have to be patient enough for that. Patient enough. The thing that is, whenever Trump tweets like that, man, prices just moves aggressively, very aggressively. So yeah, let's see. As I said, if this 15-minute candle can close above, it's a very good confirmation for buys above here, this candle. And if it closes below, we need to wait probably for one more candle. I think the 30. Yep, the 1 hour and the 30, they will all be closing below. Yep, I'm looking for green candle. In order for sells, I need a green candle and followed by a red candle, or just a break of the low. But yeah, so what I noticed here, prices failed to reject to break below this previous 15-minute candle. Price failed. I believe it tried many times, it absolutely failed. So it has only one way to move now, and it's not down. It doesn't look like it's going to move down, guys. It doesn't look like it. Oh yes, yes, I like when gold is cooking, man. I like when it's cooking. This is what I want to see. Just a closure a little bit above this candle, just a little bit above this candle, and we are good to go. We are good to go if it's above this candle. YouTube is not receiving enough. So guys, is the stream lagging or something? Because it shows me an error that the stream is lagging. If you noticed anything that is not normal, let me know in the comments. Let me fix that thing. If you think the stream is lagging, let me know below in the comments. Alright, so we have 3 minutes left now, and I want this candle to close exactly like this. Not up, not down, just like this. I want it to close just like this. Yeah, I know price is a little bit overextended, but come on, man, it's breaking resistance after resistance like it's nothing. Let's check the Forex Factory one more time. Exactly like this, exactly. So I believe Trump have not confirmed yet. Trump have not confirmed yet this news, but I'm looking for the buys after this closure. Oh, that's amazing, Pawan. That is amazing. So have you entered the trade or you're still waiting? Have you entered that? Trump asked for a few days for final deal. Okay, that's good if he will not take it right away. The good thing is that if Trump just leave it like that, it will be good for us, because if he tweets anything while we are in the trade, then we are fucked. We are totally fucked. Deal needs Trump final approval. Alright, this is all a good juicy news. Good juicy news. Yeah, all the buys now is looking nice, aligning perfectly. Oh man, come on gold, don't do this to me today. Oh no, don't do me dirty like that. Oh bro, what is going on now? Not like this, gold, come on. Yeah, I think gold likes to do this game, man. But now we have strong psychology, like iron, metal, solid psychology. That's why we will not be FOMOing in or FOMOing out or just taking anything away from our plan. It's only the one and the only plan. That's it, nothing else. Nothing else but our plan. Nothing else. Let me check if there is any rejection to the left hand side. This could help me navigate through the following move. Alright, so this candle is going to close in about 10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man, this is looking good actually. This is looking good, but where is the question is where is the stop loss going to be? Oh, I can't place 150 pip stop loss, man. Yeah, I don't think. Oh, it's gone already. It's gone already without oh, that's a very good one, Pawan. Now 30 have a steeper bottom wick. There was never a steeper bottom wick, Pawan. There was even not a wick. This is a nipple wick. It's a nipple wick, not a steeper bottom wick, bro. So I feel you. It's a little bit, not frustration, but a little bit bad feeling, but I totally understand that. It's fine. We've been through this together. Yeah, for all the new guys who are watching the stream, make sure you subscribe, guys, so we can drive this thing up like gold is going right now. Man, that's insane. Oh wow, look at that, and just like that it just went up. Yeah, I believe that was probably it. I don't think we are gonna get something else. Yeah, unless this, let's check the 30. So next closure is the 1 hour and the 30 minute and also the 15 minute. It cannot give anything useful but only sells. Yeah man, I think it's time to call it a day, guys. It was amazing, absolutely amazing live stream today. Crazy price action. Just was not expecting that at all. Was not expecting that. So, but at least it's a good news for everyone who's living near the Gulf countries, and it's a very good news that there is no war anymore, that people are actually trying to get into a peace deal, which is, this is the good part about it. So hopefully everyone will be safe. And oh wow, yeah, if this candle, 15 or 30 minute candle, 1 hour as well, closed below this area, oh man, it's going to be sexy. Yeah, there is still a lot of volume. As I was saying, that Thursday is my favorite day, but it looks like it's a very, very impulsive day. This was the day, or if the day of impulses. If you are an impulse trader, I think Raja Bank should have made some money today. I am sure Raja Bank should have made some money today if he was trading. Because look at that, look how many impulse trade we got. Here is 1, probably 2, there is 3, right? Yup, you can say that. And here is the 4th one right there, I guess, somewhere here or above this candle. So a lot of impulse entries, but on the normal days they don't actually work like this. I believe it needs a lot of volume, huge volume, in order to move. So I believe, guys, it was amazing. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all these nice comments and for sharing your ideas. And just be careful and stay safe and have a nice day. Tatam. Adios. Man, Pawan, you are very funny, bro. Yes, 100%. 100%. Totally agree. Very, very funny of you.